look for opportunities to join committees, whether that's maybe a task force or a project team, even a hiring committee. Sitting on a hiring committee and going through the process of reviewing resumes and applications and cover letters, it's a pretty time-consuming process, but it's an opportunity to be in the room for long periods of time with other individuals within your organization, which usually includes somebody maybe above your level. And in a setting like that, you're really peers, and so you get to speak to that person with as much value of input as everyone else in the room. It's a way to demonstrate that you're involved, that you're engaged, and management always loves to see an employee who is engaged. That shows a sense of genuine interest and commitment in the success of the organization.